29, reading for Miss Posey's class. We're going to start on page 60, Seeds Get Around. How do plants get to new places to grow? With help from bunches of seeds on the go. Seeds are travelers. How many different kinds of seeds of seed travelers can you find? Nutty ones. Squirrels spend a lot of time collecting acorns and other nuts. Often squirrels come back for a nut that has buried. But sometimes it forgets, and then the lucky seed is already planted and ready to sprout. Find full trees of nuts. Count how many squirrels are busy with harvest. Are there any burying nuts in the ground? Shooters. The small seeds of jeweled witch hazel and violets grow inside of little pods that squeeze them tight. When the time is right, the dry pods pop open. Surprise! And the shoot seeds comes through the air. Touch one of these seed pods. If it's just ripe, watch the seeds fly. Hitchhikers. The seeds of burdock and sticktights are a certain type of plants called burrs. Burrs have tiny hooks that grab onto the fur of animals that pass by. This free ride may carry the seeds for miles. Have burrs come home stuck on you or your dog? Floaters. Water is almost always going somewhere. Seeds that can float can bob all the way to a new home. Coconuts are famous for long-distance drifting, but many seeds use water to move. Can you find a seed that floats? Toss it in some water and see if it works like a boat. Parachuters. Some seeds have fine silky hairs. These hairs can catch a breeze and carry seeds through the air. Dandelions, milkweeds, and other plants use these parachutes to drift. So on page 63, you're going to answer 1, 2, and then we're on 64. We're going to answer question 3. So number 1, look at the types of seeds listed. Floaters, burrs, parachutes, shooters, and nuts. Write each type of seed where it belongs on the chart. So we have need animals to travel or use air or water to travel. So make sure to go back into your text and you can find where each one goes. Then question 2, it has part A and part B, so make sure you answer both. Part A, how do jeweled witch hazel and violets travel to a new place? A, squirrels bury their seeds and forget them. B, dry pods shoot their seeds into the air. C, the seeds float in the water of a stream. Or D, their hairs help them fly in the breeze. Part B, write a sentence from the passage that helped you answer your question in part A. And then finally, on page 64, you're going to answer question 3. Why can some seeds called burrs stick to the fur of animals? A, burrs have tiny hooks. B, burrs have sticky glue. C, burrs have magnets. Or D, burrs have arms. Good luck, guys.